I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Vodafone account can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Vodafone app. Launch the Vodafone app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your billing settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once in the app, find the payment methods section. This is usually located in the account settings or billing menu. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the payment methods section, look for an option that says Add Debit Card or similar. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything for accuracy and hit the confirm or save button. You should receive a confirmation message once your card is added successfully. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that it is accepted by Vodafone. Happy managing your payments.